Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring Greenshift's spacing panel in the WordPress block editor. Okay, so we're going to enter the WordPress block editor. There's a few ways you can do it, but the easiest way is to go to the page you want to edit, go over to your top toolbar over here, and click on Edit Page. Okay, so we're over here, and let's just play with these blocks and then maybe a few over here. So let's go ahead and, well, something I'd like to do is to reset all of these to their defaults, just so that it looks a bit, all right, reset typography options. And then for this one, I'll just probably keep it as that. And then this one, I'll make it 1, and I'll make it red just so it's easier for us to see. And then for this one, hover color, let's make it black. Okay, and then that's good. Now, let's go ahead and close general and typography. Let's scroll down to spacing. And you can see that we have a few options here, right? We can change the preview and the settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile. As it's happened to every single one of us, I'm certain that you can open a web page on your phone, but when you open it on your desktop, PC, or your laptop, it's completely messed up and you can't use it, and vice versa. That's what this is for. So we can change, we can link them together, and we can change the percentage, the units. And let's go ahead with percentage. So let's say 10% on all sides. You can see we have 10% margins on all sides. And if we unlink it, right, I can reset this. I can put, let's say, 60 pixels to one side, and we're moving this over by 60 pixels because we're adding 60 pixels on the right side for the margin. Okay, to make it easier, there's this button here that says preset. If you click on that, you can go ahead and go by eye, right? And then we can go on our mobile one, right? And you can see that, let's close this one and this one, spacing. And for our mobile one, we can change how it looks like on our mobile device, because sometimes, let's say our settings for the desktop one might skew it to this side. So we could bring it back to the middle. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop one. And unfortunately, it keeps opening all of these tabs when you only want to mess with the spacing one. And then next, we have padding. And the same thing, we have our units here, and you can manually type the padding. Let's say 60 from the top. We'll reset that, and we'll just use our presets. And we can change up our spacing here. And then now, for the bottom text, the same thing, we can close up all of our tabs here and go down to spacing, use our presets, and add some spacing to our oops, the bottom one, to our, there we go, bottom text over here, our subtext. So I'm happy with this spacing because of all of this that it gives us. So let's go ahead and save this and take a look at our work. Okay, we have all of our spacing and margin from the default one, the previous one. Let's reload the site. And you can see we have some spacing here, and we've made it wrap around here by adding padding and margins. So there's our spacing panel in the Greenshift block library for WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.